already know, I did this little OC challenge on Instagram where you had to list 3 words you would like to see in a doll repaint. Many of you suggested some wonderful ideas, so instead of picking one, I decided to choose the most popular ideas. I ended up with a cute pastel goth alien cat thingy. So, let's get started. The base doll I will be using is this Laguna Blue. I'm going to go ahead and prep her off camera because I'd rather you not see my frustration when prepping. I'm going to go ahead and give her one spray of MSC outside. So here in this badly lit video, you can see me creating a circle at the back to fit in Toriel's tail. As of right now, I'm deciding between the hair color. My first thought was white, but then I wanted an ombre from black to white. But then I like this dark gray color, so I haven't yet painted the tail or scalp and decided to wait till after the face up. You can also see that I have attached Howling's ears. All I used was some hot glue and Gorilla Glue to attach them. So I guess today wasn't the day for a repaint because the first layer of MSC that I sprayed didn't really do too well, but I kept going. I didn't show the first half because it was kind of pointless. Anyways, for this look, I wanted to go with a simple makeup, and the only thing dynamic would be her black lipstick, but as y'all already know, I like heavy blushing on my dolls, so I went ahead and did so. So after the face up, I ended up choosing the gray colored yarn and ended up making some wefts. Glued them onto the head, and here's what she looks like. This video is kind of a test video to see how I would do my videos from now on. I'll probably add more detail in my next video, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.